Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add other emojis to your iPhone. This only works for iOS 18.2 or 0.1 I think and above. So you're just going to search up iOS emojis on Pinterest or on Threads or wherever you search your iOS images from. For instance, like this one. Then you're just going to save it to your gallery. I'm just going to use this one. So basically what you need to do is you need to hold the image you want to make a sticker. For instance, this bow one, I'm just going to hold it until this pops up. Select add sticker. Now it is better if your emojis are like clear, like the ones at the bottom. That's like one by one, but you can just do everything all at once like this if you want to, but it is a lower quality like emoji. It does get smaller, so you won't notice a lot of the outlines. But you can only use it for iMessages and notes so far, and obviously it's going to work if your friend has an iPhone as well. I think it only shows like small emojis to you. I think it will still show like big stickers to your friends. I'm not sure. That's what I've heard. But to utilize it, I'm just going to go to notes. I'm not going to go to iMessages. But if you open up emojis here, you'll be able to see the emojis. Also in iMessage, if you have more than like one emoji, it's going to make it smaller. If you have like just one, it's going to still show it as a big emoji. So here, as you can see, I have these new ones. This pink heart, this macaron, ballet shoes, bow, starfish, and these flowers. Super cute and super pretty. I wish they made more like emojis with these color schemes, I guess. It's just more aesthetic in my opinion. But yeah, if that doesn't work, make sure you go to settings and go to keyboards and turn on the sticker thing. It's like at the very bottom. But yeah, that is how you can do that. You can see all your stickers here. If you want to delete one, just press on it kind of. Oops, no. And then press delete. You can also add effect, or you can like rearrange it. So you can add an outline to it. You can make it like this. You can make it puffy. You can make it shiny. I don't know how that's gonna work in emojis. Wow, that actually worked. Rearrange. Okay, it's just rearranging it. I thought you could do something cooler. I don't know. But yeah, that is pretty much how you can add your own like emojis to your phone. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. You can also like search up like how you can make like your custom emojis. It's like customized to you, like really you. So yeah, let me know your favorite emoji down below. And yeah, and comment down below like what emoji you wish Apple has, because there's a few. Like, come on, just give us like the soft pink heart emoji. Why is that so hard to do, you know? But that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.